guys? Sunday, fun day. So it's Sunday morning here. Cold day. Foggy as you can see. I'm heading out to my one and only job today. It's supposed to be 7 areas of carpet, but we'll see when we get there because the square footage doesn't make sense to me. And then possibly some countertops. So I'm going to go ahead and get a hold of the customer. He's not going to be there. He's out of state. And then I'm going to talk to him over the phone, give him an estimate, and then send the estimate via email, or send the invoice via email to his email, and he can pay it before I get started on the job. So I require that now because honestly, I've done jobs and never been paid for them, you know, and from really, you would think people that wouldn't do that, you know. It's kind of crazy. I actually did a floor for a hotel and they just never paid me. Crazy. So anyway, I require payment before starting the job now if the customer is not there. All right, well, I'm on my way. Stay tuned. All right, so got to the house, already secured payment over the phone. Did my pre-vacuum already, and as you can tell, these carpets are really soiled. But I should be able to get them looking amazing. I'm gonna start all the way back here. That's why I got the hydro force here, and work my way out. Going to the bedroom here, which is not real bad. Just a few problem areas here. There's no light in here, so I think what I'll do, a little natural light to the hallway. This is the worst of the area here. You know, we got a lot of spots here. I don't think that any of them are really stains. And then we'll see as we get to cleaning, but it looks like spots. Spots are removable, stains are not. But luckily to some of the advancements in carpet cleaning, we can get stains out a lot of the time. So, and this is the worst area. The chair was sitting on top of it, and you know, I see why. So yeah, all the rest of it's just normal wear and tear. If it hasn't been cleaned in a long time, then that's what it's gonna look like, guys. All right, so I'm gonna pull everything out, get my hoses out, get the pre-spraying. Then I'm gonna take my multi-wash out and CRB it in all the bad areas, which is most areas, and then get the extraction. Stay tuned. So I've been using the hydro force a lot more lately, simply because of speed. You know, I'm working by myself most of the time. When you're by yourself, you want to kind of make the process as short as possible, and this is definitely a way to do that. I think it uses a little bit more pre-spray, but the difference is, I guess, worth it. So, okay, I'm gonna finish spraying the rest of this house. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I already pre-sprayed everything throughout the house. It's kind of a chilly day today. I'm not gonna have any problem with solution drying on me. Besides, carpet detail reactivates once you get it wet, so no problem if it did. So what I'm using today is my multi-wash CRB type machine. What it is a multi-wash to where you can clean hard floors and also use it as a CRB type machine. You know, so I talk about this machine a lot, and I've had a commenter say more than once, because I talk about it's cheaper than a CRB, right? CRB, quality CRB is going probably between $2,700 to almost $3,000 bucks, $2,500 for a CRB, and all CRB does is scrub. That's all it does. This machine, you can scrub, you can clean hardwood floors, you can do maintenance cleaning on tile, and all types of flooring. That's why it's called a multi-wash. So I had a guy say that because I said it was less expensive or cheaper, he said keyword cheaper. That's why it's cheaper, because it's cheaper. Well, I haven't had any problem. It's a sturdy machine. I like it. There's no way I'd trade this in for a CRB. Just no way. I mean, it's ridiculous. So that's not really all how it always works. And when you're selling products, you're selling what the market rate is. Okay. Now there's some really big-time multi-wash machines out there that you can spend a whole lot of money, right? And this is more of a residential type, or it could be a commercial type also. More of a maintenance still. Take a little longer, but it's on the lower end of the multi-washes. So the going rate for this type of machine, and which this thing sells for, is around $1,500 bucks. Now, if you want to get in another category of CRB, the going rate is about $2,000 and up, right? Especially by the time it gets to your door. It's not because they are way more better quality than these machines. It's because that's the going rate. Once the price drop on the CRB, so everybody else. That goes with anything. I did a lot of that before I started carpet cleaning, right? You gotta make sure you price smart. Just like if you're pricing your carpet cleaning prices, right, to your customers. You don't want to go too cheap. You want to go right around what other people are charging, right? So anyway, not a cheap machine, guys. I pre-scrub tile, carpet. I do hardwood floor, laminate. And mind you, guys, I'm cleaning laminate on brand new places sometimes that just got built, but they wanted to get them, cleaned up before the owner moved in. I'm charging 50 cents a square foot, and literally one pass cleans the thing. So a lot of money to be made off a multi-wash machine, and I'm going to keep scrubbing. As you can tell, that horrible stain already disappeared. So all right, I'm gonna get scrubbing. All right, so I finished pre-scrubbing the whole house. Carpets already look clean. If I was to run a rake through that thing, people would think it's clean, but it wouldn't be a good idea because it'd resoil real quick. You gotta wrench everything out. So everything looks good. No stains that I can see. Like I said, already looks clean. So what the CRB does, it picks up stuff. And I know some of you germaphobes are like, oh, you're touching that with your hands, And you're probably right. I need to wear gloves more often. All right, so I'm gonna start the machine and get the extraction. done. What a difference. You got like a brownish carpet to kind of like a reddish type tint carpet over here. Before and after. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this. Alright guys, all finished up. Carpets came out amazing. Sure, customers are going to be really happy. No more dark spots like was there earlier. Did the stairs. Bedroom. No lights in here, so I apologize. Bedroom. Alright, so I'm just going to turn off the lights. And I'm going to take a few before and afters and wrap it up. So go ahead and like if you like what you saw, comment, and please do subscribe. A lot more of these type videos, kind of tutorial type videos, kind of share all the tools I use and solutions. And I did use carpet detail on this job. So alright, so thanks a lot, have a good one, see you in the next video.